So just as it was before, you can also explore my if you come to our website here, if you come to our website here, this is my website. So on my website here, you can be able to also promote our website and you get 10% commission. So it's not only on Amazon, CJ, Share Say, Impact. It's not only on those websites, but you can also explore more on our website by promoting our services. So you can come to this particular point that say become an affiliate. So when you click on this button, become an affiliate, you can be able to apply and be one of our affiliate marketer. So when we promote our services, the registration is very, very simple. It's not very hard. So let me just follow you through on how to sign up on our platform too. So when you add this particular platform to you sign up on this particular one, you can see this is it. If you click on this button, you fill in your name, your last name, your email address. You can see your email address, your your address, the country you are from. So you now submit the application. It's very simple. So when you do that, you can select your country. Then you can put, if the drop down here, you can see it not really cover the whole country, but you can put any country that you are. You can select any country that you are from, and the application will go. So this is how you can apply on our website, and you earn 10% commission on all of our product. This is the country. You can see it's not all the country that are here, but you can just choose any country, doesn't matter. It will go. So and you may ask what are the services that one can promote and earn commission on our website. If you click on these tools, we have a tools that people can actually sign up to access those services, and some of those services are paid services. So let's see our tools, the tools that are here that people can promote and get paid. So it's loading now. So this is just an additional information that you need to, if you want to start affiliate program, you find it very easy to do so. It's just an additional information on what those powerful platforms that I've shown to you, which can get thousands of affiliate marketing programs. So yeah, these tools. We have over 110 AI tools that you can use for your business. As you can see, these are the tools. You can use all these tools for your business completely. If someone purchases these services, then you can be able to earn 10% of what that person spend on these services. So let's see how much you're supposed to earn on these services. Each all of the services, how much they cost. Let's just look at it to analyze it and see how much those services cost. If you go to this point, let's say account. Let's click on this. Let's click on the account to see how much those services cost. Now, if someone promote as Paraventure, you get sign up through your affiliate links, how much you actually earn on this particular service. Just wait a little bit while the browser load. You can see how much someone's supposed to spend to be able to access this service. You can see we have free plan on our website, and we have monthly plan which is $10, and then we have 100 basic premium plan which is $100, you can see, and we have a lifetime plan which is 300. So somebody can promote this service and you earn commission. If it's 300 plan that someone promotes, you can be able to earn up to $30. This one will give you $10, this one will give you $1. Anything, anyhow, just it's a starting point. So you can be able to do so. Also, if you are actually still looking for affiliates, some of other services that you can promote outside this particular one that I show you, you can also explore our affiliate table here. If you come to this point, this is our affiliate table. We are promoting over 70 affiliate programs that you can be able to use this table to sign up. You once you click on this link, you can sign up, you can see commission on each of these program. And you can see all of these program have gotten some of those services from those website, those platform that I'm shown to you. So you can be able to promote this service, come here and sign up. You will not have to spend much of the time looking for those services that you can promote. You can just sign up here and get the links of those services and you will promote them. So we are updating this table time to time. You may come here and see the program we still add because we are updating. We are still signing up for some of the affiliate programs that are, trading. So this is how you can start your affiliate marketing business without much stress. And once you promote this service, you can sit down and relax. Whether you travel on the space, you can see you start to see earning coming to your dashboard at all time, just as you see some of the earning from the services that I'm promoting over there. So now one may ask, where can I promote these services? Well, in one of our video, our just check one of our video, there is a area you can promote your affiliate services. I think we post it is on our video. You can watch any of our video on the screen here. You can promote those affiliate links where to sub out, and then I will just summarize some of those places, and then you can go and watch those those websites where you can promote your affiliate links on your own. So you can promote them through your social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Quora, Redding, Answer.com. In fact, there's a lot of platforms that you can promote those your affiliate links to, and people can be able to click through those platforms and go to the services that you are promoting, and you can be able to earn commission for that. So if you are looking for these services where to promote your affiliate links, I also post this video on the screen. Just watch on the screen and you can see all of those services that we are talking about. So, and if you have any challenge, you can as well join our community section here. We have a community here. You can leave your message on our community section here, and I will do my best to answer your questions. So you can see this is our community where we discuss some of the topic that uh, people are finding difficult or are related to. If you have any issue, you can come and sign up on our community section, and we can be able to answer, answer you whatever kind of questions you have. Or better still, we have a chatbot that can is 24/7 that you can chat with, ask any questions concerning our website, our platform, and can be able to answer you 24/7 before even assign you to someone that can really answer you. So we have that on our platform too. So we actually have our website designed to really give you the best, so that we won't have any excuse to say, where am I going to start from, or what am I going to do? Everything is designed and arranged for you. So just for you to start, follow the step, and you get everything done the way it's supposed to be. So the chatbot number come on. Let me see our chatbot so that we can do some experiment. So let's just pause this. Okay, click on the chat here. Once you click on this chat button, it will not open. You can see if you just click on chat. Yeah, once you click on that, you ask your question, the question that you want to ask, in fact related to our website or any service about digital marketing or online. Let's say you ask the chatbot, what is this website all about? So you want to know what services we offer. Then you put in your email address, then you send. So this now will not give you detailed information about our services, the services that we offer. So you can see this website covers a variety of topics related to online business and digital marketing. It provides information about affiliate marketing, including top niche and programs, dropshipping, marketing strategies, building high conversion landing pages, comparisons of different online business models. The website also includes community forum, which have shown you area which user can discuss and share information on various topics such as digital marketing, online business, personal growth, cryptocurrency, and more. If there's any specific about anything specific about the website you would like to know more about, can you read more or here. So you can see this is how the chatbot can help you to identify some of the area you can promote our services. So let's say you want to know whether the website have AI tools. You just ask, does the website have a tools. Let's just put it like that. AI tool. Let me just put it like that. So click on enter. So this will give you in-depth details about the tools you can actually summarize, can use on our website. Everything is there. So if it is affiliate program, you can still get more. You can see, yes, our website at this is the URL of the tools, offer variety of A- AI power tools and services for business. This include email marketing, SEO tools, a lot of tools that are here. So you can ask chatbot more and more questions about our services, and you can see it will answer all the questions related to our services. So if you come to our website and I don't know what to do, this can help you a lot. So maybe you want to sign up as an affiliate, you don't know what to do. This can help you to identify some of the things you need to do to be able to know what to do on our website. So this all about this video. Uh, I will also post a video covering some of the area on how to promote your affiliate links the proper way, step by step. I will post a video here on our channel. So what you do next to get this done, to get alert, still maintain, be more effective on our channel, is to subscribe to our channel. Once you subscribe, kindly click on the notification bell so that once we release that video, you will be the first person to take advantage to be able to know areas and the most effective areas that you can promote your affiliate links and get conversion without delay. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.